This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Warning: gasoline is extremely flammable, so take extra precautions when you work on any part of the fuel system. Raise the rear seat cushion. Pull back the carpet flap. Remove the fuel pump sending unit floor service hole cover. Disconnect the fuel pump electrical connectors. Attempt to start the engine. It should immediately stall. Crank the engine several more times to ensure the fuel system has been completely relieved. Disconnect the cable from the negative terminal of the battery before working on the fuel system. Disconnect the fuel lines from the top of the fuel pump unit. Remove the retaining bolts from the fuel pump fuel level sending unit mounting flange. Carefully lift the fuel pump fuel level sending unit assembly from the fuel tank. Set the new fuel pump fuel level sending unit assembly into the fuel tank. Install the mounting flange and tighten the retaining bolts securely. Reconnect the fuel lines. Then reconnect the electrical connectors. Install the fuel pump sending unit floor service hole cover and tighten the fasteners securely.